I'm so excited to share that Ducktrap has earned the Good Housekeeping Seal of approval on 3 of their smoked salmon products. This is a trusted standard of quality for over 100 years. This seal was awarded to their Kendall Brook cold smoked salmon, their hot honey smoke roasted salmon portions, and their lightly smoked salmon portions as well. They each vary in texture depending on how you like your salmon, but they're all so delicious. What I love most about these salmon portions are how versatile they are, whether you're pulling them straight from the pack or turning them into simple elevated dishes like I have done here. From their silky cold smoked on a brunch galette, to their flaky hot honey smoke roasted salmon in a delicious salmon crab cake, to their lightly smoked portions made easy for grab and go breakfast egg bites. These are staples I keep coming back to over and over again. The Good Housekeeping Seal just confirms what I already knew. Ducktrap delivers the quality you can trust with the flavors you actually crave.